Alright, so this is a rain train. This is the part that I had to design. It cracked right there, so it wouldn't spin the arms. I've already took it for a test drive. This is the 3D printed part I designed. Took about 5 hours to print at 100 micron. The design I created only had a couple minor flaws. The threading here that I designed for this to couple should be a little bit longer, that way a washer can be installed. Also, where these connect right here, the inner diameter should be tapered to allow this compression fitting to fit properly. I just used a reaming tool to taper the edges, and it works. I fitted it very first try, so I didn't have to wait another 5 hours for another print. Anyhow, let me go turn it on. Alright, there it goes. Digital zoom. You can see it squirting the excess of water around the edges. That's because that gasket couldn't be installed. I might just wrap some Teflon tape there to provide a smaller gasket than the rubber gasket that was there, but the whole design was created with a Tinkercad. I'll leave a link in the description so it can be edited, and that thread can be added, but it works. That thing's been sitting dormant for almost a year because I didn't have the T-fitting. That fitting part takes a week to get here. It's $14 from Nelson. That's the creator of the rain train. Or you can buy it for $25 at Sears Parts Direct. But if you have a 3D printer, just make one. Thanks.